Hello and welcome to Learn Data. It's great to have you on this channel. I'm Nilesh, and in this video, we'll look at another app from TensorFlow Lite demos, which is on-device recommendation. And to get this, we'll first open Android Studio and import the code that we have earlier downloaded from GitHub. So click on Open an existing project, then navigate to examples-master Lite examples, and in here we want to open the this particular on device recommendation. So let's find out which one that is. We have recommendation and Android. So once this opens, we should see the files loaded up on the left hand side, and then we'll do the Gradle sync, and maybe if there are any updates, we should see them on the bottom right hand side. Meanwhile, I've connected my phone to the computer, so it should show up here where it right now says loading devices. So the files are loaded. These are the assets, and I'm going to update the Gradle. So here on the bottom left hand side, we can see it says Gradle sync finished. That's nice. Now is the step to make project. So if you go to Android Studio menu, somehow for some reason I cannot get it on the screen. I'm clicking on build and then clicking on my project. So as you can see here, on the bottom toolbar, we can see the Gradle build running. Once that is done, then we can click on this green play button, which is to run the app. And so Gradle build is finished, and we can now run the app, and this will open the app on my external mobile device, which is the phone. And I'll switch to that screen so that we can see the app now. Here on the mobile device, this is the app for recommendation, and I'm going to select a couple of movies. So the first one is Matrix, and we can see the recommendations down there. Ring, the Ring is the first one. Then if you select Jurassic Park, the sci-fi, then again we have X-Men, Ghost in Shell, and if we select all Star Wars movies, then again we get the Matrix. And then finally, if we select the American Beauty, the drama, we do get some relevant movies. But, that's interesting app, and I hope you enjoyed this app and you got it to work on your mobile phone as well. In so this was the last video in the series for now. If any new apps come up for demo, I'll definitely add to this series. I also tried to get the other app which was for gesture recognition, but I somehow could not get it to work. And if that does work, then if the bugs are fixed, I'll try to get that added to this series. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. Once again, if you had problems uh, getting the apps to run on your device, suggest watching the video number 2 in this particular series, in which I go over details of how to get the developer option on the mobile device and then install Android Studio, and how to get the code from GitHub. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope you enjoy the apps from TensorFlow. Thank you.